Okay guys, we're live right now in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Look how much snow! Oh my. Did we get any? Gosh. Look at the snow! Oh, slushy. It's turning into slush. See? Sorry. I'm walking in the snow. Look at me.
I see you.
Have fun in the snow.
Yeah.
Last time we casted 4 to 6 inches of snow in 2022, but now it's 6 to 12 inches at its maximum.
Not that much, maybe 3. But it's supposed to keep snowing.
My daddy said 6.
I know, but it hasn't yet. Yeah.
People can't believe I'm out here in the snow.
How about handing me the phone and you can put this out in the bird feeder?
Can I set it right there?
Oh, I'll hold it.
Okay, I gotta keep that video going. I gotta show my